Hello gang, it's Mr. Denton. This is the first in several videos that I'm going to make to show you how to format works cited entries from various research sources in Easybib. So first off, make sure you are logged in. I am logged in up here. You do that via Google. When it asks you if you want to log in via Google, say yes, it is Easybib after all. After that, what you're going to do is when you log in initially, I'm a little ahead of myself, it's going to look like this again, right? Now, hopefully you've already made a particular job. Okay, whenever you start getting information, immediately make a works cited entry. Immediately. So that way you have that information to refer back to. I'm going to go ahead and open up the job. Why is Mr. Denton making me write a research paper? So you click on a bibliography, and when you click on bibliography, automatically it is highlighted on the website option. Okay? So again, this is making a works cited entry out of a website. Now, hopefully you've gone over RadCab and crap, and you realize that this is a credible website. So from there, let's go ahead and start up with making a works cited entry. So you go ahead and go to your particular site, simply copy that URL, go back to Easybib, paste it. From there, click on Cite It. It is Easybib after all. It's gathering your particular information, and this is all the information that it found for you so far. It's found the website title, in this particular situation, is NPR. Article title, from Colorado to California. The gun control debate has become, and it's a long title, the publisher's NPR, date access, February 15, 2016. A lot of good stuff already. It's going to tell you what you need. When it was electronically published, and the authors. Easy enough. So let's go ahead and continue to the final step. You click on that, and you are going to see that information that is missing will be highlighted in an orangish red color, let's call it. So contributors, simply, that's the author. You go back to your particular website. Right here I see it's Kirk Siegler. Often the author, if you don't see it at the top of the website, can be towards the bottom of the website as well. In this particular situation, though, I got pretty lucky. It's at the top of the website, so I'm going to enter in good old Kirk's name. I can't copy and paste it, so they're going to force me to spell his last name. Siegler. So from there, I'm going back to Easybib. First name Kirk. Simply type in the name of your particular author, and you're good to go. Now, if your particular article has or website page has more than one author, don't freak out. Simply click on Add Another Contributor. From there, another. If there are 3 authors, so on and so forth. With this one, there is only one author, so that's all we need to put. Electronically published, well, let's go ahead and check it out in this particular situation. I go back. Oh, look at that. Updated December 5th, 2015. Originally published December 14th, 2015. Yes, it indeed does pass the crap method because it is very recent. So we are going to go ahead and enter that information into Easybib. Now, for some reason, if it doesn't have a exact publication day and date, look towards the bottom. If you don't see anything down there, this is what I suggest. Scroll down to the very bottom, and it's going to be tough to see right here because my video option with, well, maybe here we go. You can kind of see it down in the lower right corner here. Copyright 2016. So if you're having issues finding the exact date on your particular web page, which would make you very suspicious in the first place, but if you are having some issues with that, then simply go ahead and, if it is a credible website, go to the bottom of the page and get the copyright date. Get the most recent copyright date. So let me say that again. If you're having issues finding the particular date, and if there is no date, scroll down to the bottom of the page, find the copyright date. At that particular point in time, you are good to go. Same thing for publisher. If you're not able to find a publisher, go to the bottom of the page. And if you go to the bottom of the page, and then again, I'm going to try to adjust this particular technology here. At the very bottom, look at the copyright date. I know it's not perfect right here, but it's copyright 2016 NPR. So National Public Radio is the publisher of this particular website. So if you're having issues finding the publisher, if Easybib doesn't pop it up, again, people, make sure that you're going to the bottom of the page, and then from there, look at the copyright date. Once again, the copyright date. So going back to my particular page, it's December 5th, 2015. So what I'm going to do then is go back to Easybib, if I can find Easybib, because I'm working on a Mac, and as you can tell, I'm not overly familiar with Macs. My wife says they are wonderful. I have lost the multiple tab option, so I might have to disagree with her somewhat on that. My wife right now is telling me, or would tell me, that I should go to View, correct, Kara, or Window. Oh, there we go, Window. Click on that. So it was updated on the 5th month, December, year 2015. And then from there, you go ahead and want to get all the information in. And ladies and gentlemen, you need to get as much of this in as possible. Source type, obviously it's a website, article title, the author at that particular point in time, website title, publisher sponsor, URL, date published, date you accessed. You hit the create citation option and you're good to go. And once you do that, go ahead and hit create citation. And there is your particular Easybib entry. It is indeed easy enough. Now, to review a few things here for you as well, so that way we're not all lost in space, so to speak. When it asks for the article title, this is the article title. If it's asking for the web page title, often you'll see it above. You'll often see it towards the top of the page. It'll often go along with the URL. The first part of the URL there is npr.org. If you look up here, it's NPR. Those are the big questions that I get all the time, so as long as you keep that in mind, you'll be good to go. And if you look at Easybib, and I'm pulling up right now, this is the author, that's the title of the web article. From there, that is the web page. Here, that's the publisher. The date that it was published, right here. At that particular point in time, it's web. Date you accessed it, and you are good to go. So with that said, you can see it's pretty self-explanatory. If you do happen to have any additional questions, I'll ask you, have you looked at the video? And if you say no, then I'll say watch the video. It's humorous and entertaining and somewhat informative. But if you still have questions after that, let me know, and we'll go from there.